Let's get to some technique. How to sew ruffles. Set to a straight stitch. Set length to the longest you can. Finally, set tension to 0. How life should be. Do not backstitch at all, beginning or end. Just let your fabric sail straight through. You'll already notice some gathering without the backstitch. Separate the front threads from the back ones. Then, holding only the front threads, pull the fabric in. I sewed 2 rows here for strength, but I ended up not needing it, so I did not sew 2 on the rest of the ruffles. Keep working the fabric down the thread from either end until it gathers to your liking. Repeat on all 4 ruffle pieces. Using pins or clips, attach the ruffles to the straps. I don't mind pinning at all. I actually find it quite therapeutic, but I recently discovered sewing clips and I really love how easy and nip-free they are. Sew a straight stitch on the strap. Be sure to change your settings from before. I shortened the length to 2. Repeat with the last 2 ruffles down the remaining of the strap.